Tired of your lifeless hair and the sparse ponytail, which might even make you envy a horsetail? We know that getting the perfect amount of volume is an uphill battle and can sometimes feel like a never-ending quest. But don't worry, we're armed with some seriously awesome tips that can help you achieve that va-va-voom look you've been dreaming of. So let's pump up the volume and make every day a good hair day. Scalp massage. This isn't just a luxurious spa treatment, it can actually give your hair a boost too. Think of it as a little workout for your scalp. The increased blood flow brings all the nutrients and goodies to your hair follicles, which can help promote hair growth and make your hair look fuller and thicker. It's like giving your hair a VIP pass to the hair growth party. Scalp massages also stimulate those hair follicles, encouraging them to produce more hair. It's like a little pep talk for your hair, telling it to grow, grow, grow. And the more hair you have, the fuller and more voluminous it looks. But that's not all. A scalp massage can also help reduce stress levels, which can be a major cause of hair loss. By promoting relaxation, scalp massages can help prevent hair loss and keep your hair looking full and beautiful. There's more! It also helps distribute those natural oils produced by your scalp throughout your hair. This can help improve your hair texture and make it appear fuller. It's like getting a free conditioning treatment with every massage. Scalp massages can work wonders for your hair, making it look fuller, thicker, and more voluminous. So go ahead and take a few minutes per day to stimulate your scalp. Just remember to use gentle circular motions with your fingertips and massage regularly for best results. We've shared great tips and scalp massage techniques in one of our previous videos. Be sure to check it out after this one. Blow drying technique. So here's a fun little tip for you. Flip your world upside down, or at least your head and hair, to add some volume and bounce. Now, you might be wondering how on earth hanging your head down like a bat could possibly help you achieve voluminous locks? Well, when you flip your head over, you're changing the direction of your hair cuticles. That's the outer layer of your hair shaft. Normally, those cuticles lay pretty flat against your scalp, which can make your hair look a little, flat and lifeless. But when you flip your head upside down, those cuticles get lifted away from your scalp, creating more space and volume in your hair. And that's not all. When you blow dry your hair upside down, you can easily focus on the roots of your hair. By targeting your hair roots first, you can amp up the volume even more. It can help create more lift and volume, which will make your hair look fuller and more vibrant. So, whether you're trying to achieve a full-on bombshell look or just want to give your hair a little extra oomph, give the upside-down blow-dry a try. Just remember to use medium or low heat settings and to use your fingers or a round brush to lift your hair up and away from your scalp as you dry. And voila! You'll be ready to take on the day with a fabulous, voluminous hairdo. Be sure to detangle your hair before blow-drying for an easier blow-dry and also to avoid breaking off extra strands while drying. You'll love using TangleGenie. It's an amazing detangler with a unique 360-degree bristle design that detangles your hair gently without pulling, tugging, or falling out. Be sure to give this amazing detangler a try for tangle-free hair and to avoid the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Nourish from within. Something we always say and greatly believe in is that healthy hair comes from within. So when talking about adding volume and bounce back to your locks, it's important to make a few simple eating habit adjustments to make your hair voluminous. First things first, protein. If you want to give your hair a boost of volume, you need to make sure you're consuming enough protein. Think of it as the building block for your luscious locks. So load up on those eggs, dairy, meat, and fish. But let's not forget about all of those vitamins and minerals, specifically vitamin A, C, biotin, iron, and zinc. These are the superheroes that will save your hair from being flat and lifeless. So eat your spinach, sweet potatoes, citrus fruits, nuts, and seeds, and watch your hair transform into a voluminous work of art. And that's not all. Hydration is another great factor. Just like a plant needs water to grow, your hair needs water to thrive. So aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and watch your hair become more hydrated, shiny, and voluminous. Your diet for healthy hair not only means to incorporate the good foods, but also has to limit the damaging ones. It can be easy to love munching on processed, sugary treats, junk food, and gulp those sodas. But if you want to give your hair the volume it deserves, you need to cut back on these bad boys. They can contribute to inflammation in the body and clog up hair follicles, which can affect your hair growth and health. So instead, focus on eating healthy, nutrient-dense foods that will give your hair the love it deserves. With just a few simple eating habit adjustments, you can transform your hair into a voluminous masterpiece. We've shared the best foods to eat and the worst ones to avoid in previous videos to help you achieve Rapunzel hair, so be sure to check them out after this one to know which foods are great for your hair. Enjoying these tips? Give us a viral high five by smashing that like button. YouTube will spread it to more people to help them as well, all thanks to you. Hair masks, hair oils, hair rinses, the extra TLC. Your natural crown deserves these royal treatments at least once a week. When it comes to achieving voluminous hair, hair masks, oils, and hair rinses are the essential trio for hair care. They work together to nourish, hydrate, and add body to your hair, leaving you with locks that are full of life and bounce. Hair masks are like a superfood smoothie for your hair. They're packed with all sorts of vitamins, minerals, and other goodies that your hair craves. These ingredients penetrate deep into your hair to deliver a surge of nutrients and hydration. This helps to strengthen, repair, and fortify your hair, making it less prone to breakage and thinning. And as we all know, healthy hair equals voluminous hair. Next up, hair oils are like a warm hug for your hair. They work by coating your hair strands, sealing in the moisture, and preventing breakage. They also help to strengthen your strands, leaving them looking smoother, fuller, and more lustrous. Plus, many hair oils contain nutrients that nourish your hair inside out, giving it that healthy, plump look we all desire. Finally, hair rinses. These magic potions are a great way to give your hair a quick and easy boost. They can help to remove product buildup, excess oil, and impurities from your hair to leave it clean and refreshed. Some hair rinses, like apple cider vinegar, also help to balance the pH level of your hair, which can make it look shinier and more voluminous. With hair masks, oils, and rinses, you can achieve the voluminous hair of your dreams. It's like a 3-course meal for your hair, and trust us, your hair will thank you for it. Let us know how this video helped you in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to join us on the road to hair gorgeousness. Thanks for watching.